I'm Fox 13 News reporter Carolina Hassett. We're seeing some snow flurries here in the Salt Lake area, but taking a look at the ground, it just appears wet and there's no significant amount of snowfall. But that was a very different story for some ski resorts. Now, some of those ski resorts haven't even been able to open their doors yet. Well, we checked in to see what this new snowfall means and if it gets them any closer to that opening day. It's fair to say Utahns sprinted to the slopes at the first sight of snowfall on Saturday. And while all ski resorts had their struggles with the warm temperatures, Snowbird was able to remain open. But it's been a very different story for Beaver Mountain, which still hasn't opened its doors.
Employees, ski patrol, kind of on standby at this point, just waiting for it to snow.
It was the first time since the 70s they weren't able to operate on Christmas Day.
The decision was kind of made for us, regrettably, but yeah, it stings.
The problem is Beaver Mountain doesn't have any snowmaking and truly relies on the natural stuff.
We don't have a sufficient water supply, and snowmaking requires lots and lots of water.
But the Saturday weather brought them a lot of hope.
Looking for a little clarity on the forecast around New Year's because we're hoping to get more snowfall then. We'll have a lot of people up here and just making the assessment if the snowpack can handle that. Now, Beaver Mountain is optimistic about reopening soon and should have another update in the coming days. They're encouraging Utahns to keep an eye on all their social media pages. In Salt Lake City, Carolina Hassett, Fox 13 News, Utah.